Welcome to Nuer Tube. Today we are going to learn about grammar, some of the important things like noun, pronouns, adjective, verbs, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Bana right ka talk English kana thoknath grammar Mijiram Jadid Lwakako subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please help me by subscribing. We are going to talk about noun, pronouns, adjective, verbs, adverbs, kaditi. Bu content lot kana ke ta dan and ke use ke ja ke lodien ban ke kel. Here this is noun. What is noun? Every name is called noun. Any shoot, dwara, shwaledi, shwale noun. Vishungach. Any name or everyone or everything, it has a noun. Any dwar, take a shoot. And shoot shwaledi, shwale noun. That is where noun come from. Noun would not show dwara. Noun that should run like name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of idea. Tichi shalka kedi shalka ken noun. We have example here. Nyaluak a noun, ka person. Nyarot a noun. Gadwich a noun. Jen mishung ka kwishotka. She, it, shala kejen ka thoknath dong de nyamo do la mo duno ka tok English la ka gar ka kamishale she kene e misha shuran kulat ba cholo no mongu a noun mo kono ka place like duel shudwell like shudwell gora name of a school, name of ocean like verb deed kanamo la name of rivers, name of a country cheke Gambela, cheke South Sudan, which ke a country any name shwale noun. Murai kon ke thing chirkangwane de we tarbit ke table a noun a should wara computer bo a should wara do ke joke a should wara galam jas ke pencil a should wara ba. Mo kono ka idea ba shar pankin ka non banti ka should chika love ala nuk a non tesluaj joy a non lose honor a non luar ke freedom kan titin shwala ka non ko ka should ngwane. Every name is called a noun. Jandana go no you have to remember any should wara shwale noun. Tukon kamishali pronoun gwasme. Pronoun they are put in place of a noun. In place of a noun, the pronoun stand. La gwala gwas noun ka chenme kon ngaje no gwas shoda ngu a noun. Ba pronoun mo ba kulat gwas shod ka. Pronoun ladya gwamedi ladya gwa noun ka noun chane ngaje no ngunin noun a shod. La gwal kana gwas shoda ke noun. Example here, subject pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Mishi we gore dwar dong mishi larnene shawiyir katong nwere. Jen shawiyir. Jen amo dera he, dera she, dera it. I am a you, he, she, it, we, you, they shalaked shalka ke pronouns ne. mu kwai ke shoran ba nang ke you come here dong de we nyalwak ber gwame nyalwak mi shi cholo gwad nyalwak e non e shoot iyo ba ko pel mene ben gwad me jen ja bene jen ja we yer jen yura rode mete ke jen e kan tetine chirka kon ken nei e nono tim chala first person e I ke me ke my ke mine ke myself gwasame take mutually object pronoun e me you him her it us you them chalka object possessive adjectives am I your is her it is our your and their gwasame tukon ke possessive pronoun mitakaran mine yours is hers it is not used cha use on gwasma ours yours theirs chala ke possessive pronouns ko chukon possessive adjective chukon en gwasme to kon muchar reflexive pronouns myself yourself himself herself itself ourselves yourselves themselves ke de ti cha ka da ke cha ka gor mishi wo guje kere me gwada me wono gomi again gomi chaka dak mnyam mi chale first person mero do gwada me take you yours yourself chale second person third person gwada me roje ke kwingu ke kwiwut ka third person rien gwada me roje ke kwinka roje ke kwinyal she ke her ke hers ke herself roje ke kwinyal na me I ke him ke is ke himself roje ke kwing roje ke kwiwuda male to kon get third thing gwada mene it is itself totone to kon first person plural ke second person plural kini to gwada ke third person and thing ke ti chi ke die samone dong de we dungak e dul ngak ka roga del chal dul chudul gori ke thing totong bi ngaje no pronouns ne lat ka ka gwat non ka non ka shoot kwala wo ni shoot ba ko mo ke te shal ka pronouns ne to pai kon kalat gwasame Tekon commercial adjective. Adjective, the adjective describe a thing. Jen ladene ta ante duor keje kie men deje ngik keje. Ta dan de nam ngik keje. Chetke beautiful roses, chetke fast car, chetke smart student. Mukuje gwasa me ka adjective beautiful. Beautiful point the karwa de ngu adjective ko jen nyoda na mon wo gwa dong te adjective gwa ba lo la nenda gwa ye long fast car dong te ka torbiere te chepe da gwa da mo fast karwa de mi shala adjective ko nyoda jeno la pede long mo ngo ja smart student smart bo mo gwa la student mo ngai ngwa ke gat dul gor mo ngai ngwa dong la kwene jaga je ko ramo mo te ka duor mu nyuda gwa en go jende je ngi ke jen go ngaja gwa re class amone te to ko kende chale predicates adjectives me could define a subject and okay and following and follow looking verbs like the kids are energetics gwada me din and gwada me energetics amene nguno mo adjective like cha would kamrar Scott look happy, Misha happy mabo adjective, Claire is chatty and chatty mbo adjective. Lama jag door ko be George and gwasa mo chwaledi chwala adjective. Jen kwala cholo no the adjective describe thing. Lada ta ente door kaje kimende na mo de jengi kaje jen chwala adjective ona. Tukono mishale verbs. A verb is a word that show actions. A verb is a word that show action. And verb eriet menyut men la dore. Men la dimo ki melat ka mo na mo ajan chwale verb sane. Tikon ga shed gwasame. Write, jump, think, walk, fetching water. Any men la dimo ne ngo jinije. Char nije. Ger ne terbil ke ger na hanjele. Water to katinyun madan la dudwaro ki action. Reading, coming, going, playing, fishing. Ka tokan dial chwal kedi chwal ka ken wo ke verbs. Verbs keriet minyod man la duore. Mite mi la duore ngwada mo ba chwal verbs. Chigatem right corner. I am teaching. Teaching pointing verbs. I am talking. Talking pointing verbs. Bidagdien bishu ngaji nono. Verbs is a word that show action. Jen do badan and being like and verb erin munyot men la dore ki ta dana te do te keje. Ticketing, jump, ride, play, coming, going, away. To kon gamishala adverbs. Adverbs. Adverb guatame. Adverbs is how things are done. How things are done. Kenyo the dwarf and latka dwar kaje. Dwarf and latka dwar kaje chikon ngaje chala adverb. But guam verb rien minyot men la dware. Lam la dwar ma. Dung no neme adverbs. It shows how things are being done. Dwarf latka no kaje. Nyo the dwarf and latka dwar kaje. Ala dwarf kunala okum latka kaje. Chakon mo ke shet guasame. How? Let it quietly, peacefully, carefully, slowly, badly, closely, easily, well, fast, quickly, cheerfully. Misha ijoga how let it jedi. Nyo the dwarf and latka dwar kaje. Me aware. Above, abroad, far, away, back, her, outside, backward, behind, below, down. Gwada dan latka dwarten. When? Let it jene. Now, yesterday, soon, later, tomorrow, yet, already, tonight, today, then last year. Ka let it ka yodi. How much? Ki let it jedi. Quietly, fairly, too, enormously, entirely, very, extremely, rather, almost, absolutely, just. How often? Nikadi. Always, sometime, often, frequently, normally, generally, usually, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. Bishu ngajano duo bandan alat ka duor mokaje. Bi ngajano take a how, lede jedi, where, lede jagwamit, when, ka lede jene, how much, ka lede jedi, how often, kala lede kenindi, nomone kena konin shwal ke adverbs. Dupti nyudu latka na mone keje ki do badana che lat keje dong de te che nang nindi che nang pedi ka lere je mat lere je ka bom lere je ka pet no kene diala to shwala ke adverbs. Well, this is the end of our lesson. Again, talk lesson kadan. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please make sure you learn this, you follow the video, learn about adverbs. Ngani lot adverbs kengu, ngani verbs nguludamo, ngani adjective nguludamo, ngani pronoun nguludamo, ngani noun nguludamo. Enono. Ajan duob dan kijen kwa dan te konchong tin. Ani biya tega mal bana nyogo jeka listen radian. Bye bye.